Hi guys, I'm here with Baja Gold Mineral Sea Salt. This is a great replacement to your table salt. It's going to be much better for you. As you can see on the package, it has vital nutrients, unrefined and naturally pure. And also, I can just tell you personally, it has an exceptional flavor. It is really good, guys, and this is really a nice big size, and it's going to last you a long time. You can basically, anywhere you put salt, this is where you can use this. A lot of people are using it to add a little salt to their water to get some extra electrolytes. I'm going to be doing that as well. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks here. We're going to look into the bag here. Already been using this. Let's look in it and I'll show you how it looks here. Guys, it looks like snowflake there. It's very flaky there. It has moisture in it. It has a great flavor. A lot of people are using this to flavor their water to get some extra electrolytes. But this stuff is really good, guys. Give it a shot. I'm pretty sure you'll like it just like I do as well. Check it out.